Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the S21 Ultra and opening the first app you'll split. This is the app that anchors the top or left pane. Once done, tap the Recent button or swipe up and hold to reveal Overview. Make sure the app appears as a card. You do this so the system can pin one app first. If the app won't appear, close and reopen it, then return to Recent. This ensures it's ready for split screen selection. Next, tap the app icon at the top of its recent card and choose Open in split screen view. This moves the app to the top or left pane immediately. Then pick the second app from the recent list or app drawer to fill the other pane. Make sure to adjust the divider by dragging to resize. You can prioritize one app by giving it more screen. This sequence guarantees both apps run simultaneously and keeps multitasking responsive on the S21 Ultra. To finish, drag the divider to resize. Make sure the app you need most gets enough space. If you want the other app on top, tap the app icon in its pane and choose Swap Positions or select Full Screen to exit split screen. If apps behave oddly, force close and reopen them, or clear cache for the troublesome app. This often resolves freezes. If split screen still fails, reboot the phone. A fresh start usually restores multitasking stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.